How to enable dark mode on Viber. You can make your Viber a lot nicer if you like dark mode. How? Tap on the More button from the bottom. Tap on Settings. Tap on Appearance. Here, select dark blue. This theme is beautiful and it has a dark blue model. Now let's tap on black. The black color is more attractive to me. Also, you can change the default background for your conversation to get it more customized for you. Let's see how Viber looks on dark mode. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.